What's the deal? It's Randall. It's the day after Valentine's Day. We're out here in Houston, Texas. It's one of the coldest days that we've had in about 100 years. Decided to take the car out, get a few pictures in the weather, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick product review of something that I have in my car as well while I'm out here. So thank y'all for watching once again. Let's get to it. Now, when they tell you to stay off the roads, hey, they weren't lying. You know, I didn't go too far away, but even in the short drive I went, you know, I was only going about 15 miles an hour. The car was sliding all over the place. I am driving with a red key, and so if you're in somewhere to get snow and you're thinking about driving a Hellcat in the snow, it's definitely not recommended. You know, I'm on 22 by 12s in the back, so I do have a nice contact patch tread-wise, but I'm still all over the place, and so you can see I got a lot of work to do when I get it back in as far as cleaning the car up. But, you know, you only live once, you gotta have fun, and that's what I went to do today. And so, real quick, if you look on the ground, you see snow. Whether it's rain or snow, a problem you're gonna have is when you're walking in the snow, you're getting your shoes dirty, which I'm doing right now, and you got to get back in your car. On one of my previous vehicles, I used to always have to either change my shoes or wipe my shoes off after I'm, you know, about to get into the vehicle. And so I'm walking to my car, I'm about to get in, and you already know what's gonna happen. If you have carpet in your car, which everyone does, all these cars have carpet inside. Once you put your shoes in, you're gonna get that dirt and that mud and that slush right into the inside of your car. So what I'm gonna do is show you the mats that I have inside. This is one of the first models that I actually did. I have the 3D Max Spider Max, and hopefully I said the name right. They're a molded mat that fits in your car. They're all weather. Another brand is WeatherTech. This brand I went with because it looks less rugged, a little bit more sporty. You know, if I had a choice, I probably would pull this off or paint it black to kind of make it blend in a little bit more, but it snaps right in. This is actually how dirty they've been maybe in about a couple of months, and so I haven't actually cleaned them yet. And so I'm gonna pull the mat out, and it pops right out. And so as you can see, this is the mat, and so the water's coming right off. The bottom's clean, minus a couple of blades of grass. It completely protects the carpet from any water that's gonna get in. And so you can see my SRT carpets down here. All they need is a quick vacuum. But when I'm jumping in, after walking in the snow, dirt, rain, whatever, you know, I'm hopping right in, and I'm good to go. And so don't have to do any type of wiping my shoes off, you know, minus, you know, making sure I can step on the pedals. But these mats fit perfectly in. This is my passenger side. Pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. Like I said, if you want to keep your mats looking nice and good, just pop these in. They're pretty reasonable. I do have them in the front and the back, and it'll last a pretty good while and keep your car nice and clean. And so I'm gonna show you the process of cleaning these off as well. Once it gets to that point, these are definitely a strong option. You know, I've used them, abused them. Like I said, I haven't cleaned them at all. They've probably been here since maybe November, so about 3 or 4 months, and this is as dirty as they've gotten. And so it's time to clean them out. Other than that, no adverse issues. You know, we're still rocking with them. And so this is a solid choice for your car, whether it's rain, snow, or any kind of unfavorable weather. Like I said, if you just like to hop in and go without having to change shoes or anything else like that. And so that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I was just out getting a couple pictures. You know, we got the Jeep out as well, so you know, we just having a little fun, taking advantage of the downtime, which I don't get too much of. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get back to it, finish up this little photo session, get home and clean this car off. So once again, y'all be safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.